Good morning guys, this is Mike Tech. This is my compilation of my what I'm working here in my company. So we will dismantle Alpha Plus hydraulic breaker. This one. This is a Korean made hydraulic breaker. So this problem have leaking in the hydraulic piston inside, so we will dismantle it. We'll create another video for this one. So if you working with this kind of attachment, is you must take safety precautions, because in his there is a nitrogen, and here also have the nitrogen in this area, the accumulator. So first, the pressure of that accumulator is almost 60, in the head is 10 psi. So if you make an the overhauling of this kind of attachment, so be sure to release the pressure, because it will create a damage for your base, or 60 psi can already cut your finger due to the pressure, or your eyes. It will create also fire. So put first safety in your in our duty, and we will always pray to our Lord, so He will guide us to our work, and work safely and efficiently. So guys, this is my first vlog into 2022 hydraulic breaker Alpha Plus 42 disassembling and assembling, inspection, repair of hydraulic leakage, internal leakage. Thank you guys, and I will make another video for this.